Great. Welcome, guys. Good to have you here. Now, we are looking at how to repair your damaged audio. Now, when audio is damaged, sometimes you feel like, what can I do? Now, with RX, we can take care of a damaged audio file. For example, you have clicks everywhere and distortions everywhere in your audio. I'll take a very tiny audio file from the project I've been working on how to fix this. Now, listen to this.
Am I asleep? Am I asleep?
Now, you can hear the distortion in that audio, okay? Here is a woman talking, and then we have distortion clicks basically in that audio. How do we fix this? Now, listen to it one more time while we start to fix.
Am I asleep? Am I asleep? Am I asleep?
Now, you can hear the clicks all over. In Pro Tools, you can simply just highlight this very part. Here is where the audio is, where you have the distortion. So I highlight this part. Simply go into my audio suite, then come down to noise reduction. Already I have installed in my system RX, Isotope RX 3, the clipper. You can see a lot of them here. I also have RX 7. Okay. Now we have RX elements. You either can choose your RX 3, RX 5, RX 4, but let me just for the sake of this video, use the RX 3 declicker. All the declickers done by Isotope RX work the same way, pretty the same buttons you have around, so you can, choose here and there. Now, looking at this, haven't highlighted the parts that we want to take care of, which is with the damaged part of the audio. Now, if you click right here, you can actually audition that part.
Am I asleep? Am I asleep?
You can hear that part. Now, looking at this, you see this red here. Okay, it's clipping right here. So we need to take care of this clip in the first place. So what I do usually is to first of all reduce my input. Okay, now let's take down the input of that very sound that is distorted or that is damaged, whatever case it may be. Now, taking that out sound, you can just bring down this input here. You can see the input. You bring it down. Okay, now see it's going down. I think for me, -6 is usually very safe. Okay, I feel -6 is safe. I just stop at -6. Where is it? -6. Okay, in a way. So -6 thereabout. We have the input now reduced. So you just play again and see. Let's see what we have.
Am I asleep? Am I asleep?
Now, having reduced your input to -6 thereabout, you can see that your output also have been reduced. So we really do not have that red coming up, which gave us a form of the clip rather. We're having that clip up there, which is that red symbol you see. Now, we're fine with that. Now, what we want to do is to clean up the clicks that we have in that audio that actually damaged our file. Now, we have reduced the input, so we can have, and it's definitely going to have a very good effect on our output. Then we have to look at this other algorithm here. Now, you have single band. Now, why you have under single band here, you really cannot specify your frequencies here. You see, it is blurred out, so you can't really touch the faders here. So for you to be able to choose, okay, now this is a woman talking, I need to set the frequencies to be checked. You have to come up here and click on multi-band. Okay, so we have M-band periodic. So you see now we are able to choose with frequency. In this case, you can either try to audition while you do work around this. But for me, this is a project I've worked on already, so I know certain parameters that I've set to be able to get a very clean audio from the distorted one. Now, we can go up this way for a woman. We have some of our frequencies up here, so you can choose to say, okay, about this should be removed. Now, let's look at the sensitivity here. Now, this tells you the amount, how sensitive you want the clicks, okay, what you are removing, okay. So the sensitivity of the click detection here is what you want to set here. Now, let's set the sensitivity of the click detection because you're trying to detect the click in this audio file. So let's set the sensitivity, just move up, okay. Let's say for me about 6 thereabout. you can either do this if you're just starting to use this. You can do this by actually auditioning while you're listening. You can, you see it have direct effect on your audio file that have been damaged. So I haven't done this. Let's check out our file.
Am I asleep? Am I asleep? Am I asleep?
Wow, our file is back. See, the damaged file now has been repaired automatically. I don't know if you saw that. So let's play it again. You take a second listen now.
Am I asleep? Am I asleep? Am I asleep?
Now, one way for you to compare to be sure that what you have done has a positive effect on your audio file is to bypass, okay? So let's click on it, we listen to it, and then we bypass to hear the original file.
Am I asleep? 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 Am I asleep?
Wow.
Am I asleep?
Wow, it looks like a miracle. So when I bypassed it, you heard the okay, for the sake of those who really didn't get that. Now I just played again, okay? I played again.
Am I asleep? 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 Am I asleep?
So you can see when I bypassed it, you heard the sound, distorted clicks everywhere. That's an audio you don't want to use. Now, that's pretty much it. So when you are satisfied, what you do is to render. Okay, click on render, and then it takes care of this file here. So when you play from your timeline,
am I asleep? Am I?
Oh, beautiful. You see, you have your clean audio. So thank you for being part of that class. If you have questions with regards to this topic, you can ask. And if there are other topics you want me to treat in terms of audio repair, sound recording, and of course sound design and the likes, just let me know. Thank you for being part of this. Please do subscribe and like this video, and also share. That's one way to encourage me to make more videos. Thank you.